Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature in Google Drive that allows you to search for sent photos on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where your photos are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To refine your search specifically for photos, click on the Advanced Search icon. This icon typically looks like a funnel or a small triangle pointing downwards. In the Advanced Search options, you'll see several filters to help narrow down your results. From the drop-down menu labeled Type, select Photos and Images. This will ensure that your search focuses solely on photo files. Next, you'll want to specify who owns these photos. Under the Owner section, choose Owned by Me. This filter is crucial because it helps you locate only those images that you have uploaded or created yourself. Now that you've set your filters, it's time to find the photo you're looking for. After applying these settings, click on the Search button. Google Drive will display all images that match your criteria. Scroll through the results to find the specific photo you need. If you have a lot of images, this process will save you time and effort compared to manually sifting through all your files. The Advanced Search feature is particularly useful after updates, as it often includes improved filtering options. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for sent photos in Google Drive on your PC using the new update. Remember, utilizing these advanced features can significantly enhance your productivity and make file management much easier. Thank you for joining me today. Happy searching in Google Drive.